Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look what is the arrow up and arrow down inside the triangle on the status bar on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S21 or S22 means. Now this icon here represents data saver, and you can turn it off by simply turn off data saver. Now you might have accidentally turned it off or you turn it on but you are not aware of the symbol. So let's first go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on connections, and then we go down and tap on data usage. Next, tap on data saver. Now tap on turn on now button to turn on or turn off this icon right here. You can see that if I turn off data saver, that icon is now gone. You can no longer find it on the status bar right here. And if I turn it back on, you can see if I swipe down quick settings in the status bar, now it will show the data saver icon. And that's all. That's what it is, and that's how you can switch it off or switch it on. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now, the purpose of data saver is to help cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.